Beginners, this is for you. Let's load the bobbin and thread this machine. First, you're going to take the bobbin cover and press that button to the right, and then with your bobbin, you want it to make the letter P with your thread. Now you're going to take that and you're going to drop it into your machine like so. You are going to take your thread and you are going to go down right here and then up and then around. There's a little cutter, slice it off, put that bobbin cover right back on your machine. Now you're going to take your thread. If you're using the thread stand, you're going to feed it from the back to the front, just like this. Then you're going to take your thread across your machine until you get to this little hook right here. You see me putting a little tension, so I'm going to pop it in that hook. Then we're going to feed the disc right here. We're going to make sure it's in that disc. Then we're going to pull the thread down and then up and around the lever right here and then back down. Then there's a little hook right here. Then I'm using the self-threader going under the hook and then going right there, and it should thread it for me. And then you're ready to start embroidering. This is the take up lever. You can go up and down like this, but if you have something bulky in your hoop or need a little extra space, if you just hold it up a little bit higher, it gives you enough room to get your stuff under, and now you're ready to sew.